Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are enjoying a good health. Now today, from our book GK Planet of 2nd Standard, we are going to start with the lesson number 29, that is Polar Animals, on the page number 42 and 43. Polar animals means animals that live in the poles of the earth. Now, what are poles? The poles are the top and bottom parts of the earth. The North Pole is at the top of the earth and the South Pole is at the bottom of the earth. Number 1 is North Pole. It is the northernmost point on the earth. This pole is surrounded by the Arctic Ocean. Number 2 is South Pole. It is the southernmost point on the earth. It is located on the continent of Antarctica. Both are very cold and icy places. The poles have 6 months of daylight and 6 months of night. Many animals live in poles on the earth, such as reindeer, blue whale, walrus, polar bear, penguin, etc. Now in this chapter, we will learn about the water animals that live in the poles. Water occupies more than 70% of the Earth's surface. Many animals live in ocean, river and sea, and these are known as water animals. Some of the water animals are whale, turtle, dolphin, crab, seahorse, etc. Now students, we will start with our reading. So put your pencil here. Hello, I am Thomas. I am visiting my parents who are both scientists at the South Pole in Antarctica. Do you know what the poles are? They are the top and bottom parts of the earth. Now students, in this paragraph, a boy named Thomas is saying that he is visiting his parents who are scientists at the South Pole in Antarctica. What are poles? As I told you, poles are the top and bottom parts of the earth. Now come to our exercise part. Put your pencil here. Let me see if you can fill in the names of these water animals that live in the poles. Use the help box as a guide. Now, in this exercise, the pictures of water animals that live in the poles are given. We have to write their names in the boxes, but before starting with this exercise, we will discuss them one by one. Number 1 is blue whale. The blue whale is a marine mammal. These are the largest animals ever known to have lived on the earth, even bigger than dinosaurs. The biggest blue whale found was 190 tons and measured 98 feet long. The blue whale's tongue alone can weigh as much as an elephant. To communicate with each other, blue whale make a super loud sound. That is why it is known as the loudest animals on the planet. Number 2 is orange octopus. Octopus is an ocean creature that is most famous for having 8 arms. They have 2 large eyes, 3 hearts and blue blood. They are boneless creatures with mouth at the center point of the arms. An octopus moves its 8 arms behind it as it swims. Number 3 is spotted seal. The spotted seal is also known as larga seal and considered as a true seal. The spotted seal is a medium-sized seal known for its markings of black shaped spots on the body. These animals do not tolerate humans well. They quickly enter water when sense a possible threat. They are carnivores, so they mainly eat fish. Number 4 is beluga whale. The beluga whale is a small whale with 34 teeth, that is white as an adult. They are of white color. They are found in the Arctic Ocean and travel south when the sea ice forms. The beluga's body is fat and has a small blunt head with a small beak and tiny eyes. On their head they have a round shape called a melon. And the last one is walrus. Walrus is the marine mammal that are usually brown but can change color depending on how warm they are. As they get warmer, their skin can turn pink. This is because as they get warmer, blood rushes to the skin to try to cool it. It is similar to a seal but larger with 2 tusks, that is, teeth growing out of their mouth. They are good swimmers and divers. Now students, as we have discussed about the water animals that live in the poles, now let's have a recall. Number 1 is blue whale. It is a marine mammal and largest animal known to have lived on Earth. Number 2 is orange octopus, boneless water animal most famous for having 8 arms. Number 3 is spotted seal. It is known as larga seal and considered as true seal. Number 4 is beluga whale, a small white whale known for its blunt head. And the last one is walrus, a marine mammal known for its 2 tusks. Now students, as we have discussed and recalled about these water animals that live in the poles, now you have to complete this exercise, revise these pages and do the worksheet given in the SNAP homework. Thank you and have a nice day.